Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to download and install Windows Admin Center on Windows Server 2022. The Windows Admin Center has not been installed by default, so you need to download it first. You can search Windows Admin Center on the search engines and download it, or you can download it directly from the link we put in the video description. After downloading, let's go ahead with the installation. Run the file you just downloaded. If you agree with the license terms, accept the terms and click Next. Select the option to send the diagnostic data to Microsoft to make Windows Admin Center better. We go with the required diagnostic data option and click Next. If your server is not up to date or you want to check for the update, select the Use Microsoft Update option. Otherwise, check the option I don't want to use the Microsoft Update and click Next. Generally, desktop mode and gateway mode are supported on Windows Admin Center for the operating system. As you see, the wizard summarizes the gateway mode. Click Next. Select Use WinRM over HTTPS only. Then click Next. The new wizard asks to enter the port number and certificates. By default, in gateway mode, it uses the 443 port number. Although, you can change the port number according to the requirement. Moreover, if you have installed the SSL certificate on your computer, select the second option and provide the thumbprint for the gateway SSL certificate. Since we have not installed the SSL certificate on my system, we will use the default setting and click the Install button. After installing successfully, click Finish. Next, we will connect to Web Admin Console. Host name or IP address used to connect Web Admin Console of Windows Admin Center from client host. Run the web browser and access the following link. Click Advanced. Authentication is required, enter credentials and click OK. After successful login, the welcome page of Windows Admin Center will be shown.